Hello everyone. In my last video, I told you what is noun and how you can use some different and interesting methods to teach your kids at home as well as in school. See, my main motive is that I want to tell the mothers that how they can train their child to learn each and everything in interesting way, in a fun way or in interesting way. So here I'm going to tell you types of noun and how we can teach them with a different method. So let's start. So here you can see that I'm going to start the interactive method to teach noun and its type. So this is the definition which we read many times in the books, and we get knowledge from our teachers in school as well. A noun is a word that refers to a thing, person, animal, place, a quality or idea or an action. So you can show them different examples, like you can show them paper, pen. You can from their EVS book, you can show them animals, birds, example of gold, school, park, ground. If we talk about abstract noun, then you can tell the examples love, silence, idea. They can maintain silence in the class while listening you. Okay. So now what are the types of noun? Broadly, if we see, there are 5 types. First one is proper, common, collective, abstract, and material noun. Now let's see, let's try to learn all these types with some examples. First one is common noun. When we talk about common, so C for common, right? Common means which is quite ordinary. So the term common is an indefinite name of any place, person, thing, idea, which is used commonly. Again, we are putting stress on the word common. Common means general. So for example, you can say teacher, tablet, or laptop, or their mobile phone, wristwatch, garden, multiple examples you can give. Now let's come to the proper. So P for proper, P for particular, right? Or we can say specific. So when we are talking about something particular, something specific, so it means we are talking about proper noun. For example, any specific person, place, thing, animal. So you can give them example that when you write your name, so your name is special, right? So always we start with the capital letter, because this thing they must keep in their mind, that proper noun always starts with the capital letter. The country in which we live or you live, so they can easily tell India, or if they live in America, if they live in Canada. So always starts with the capital letter. The brand of wristwatch, right? You can give the example, the name of your school. So all these are the particular names. So they always start with the capital letters, correct? Now look at this. Now we are talking about collective noun. As the name suggesting us, collective. Collective means collection of something, collection of things, collection of people, right? So here also you can give them multiple examples. For example, I have taken class, because you people, a teacher is standing in the class, and mother can also give the example of class, staff, team, team of players, stack of books, which are well arranged. Okay. And the class, suppose the class took part in any competition or quiz and they won the trophy. The staff members, right? So the staff got the award for their hard work, right? So in this way, you can give them multiple examples of collective noun. Now, what is abstract noun? See, we use our 5 senses to feel, to see, to touch, to speak about any person, place, thing, or animal. But here we are talking about abstract. Abstract means which is not physically present, which you can't feel with your five senses. This thing is important here, that you can tell them the difference between these two, concrete and abstract. Concrete means which you can, again, you can explain them that with your five senses you can touch the concrete one, but you can't see, touch and feel with your five senses. So that is abstract. For example, if we are saying dog, if you have a pet dog, and abstract is hunger. Student, all are sitting in the class, and abstract is study and permission, correct? So you can give them multiple examples. Now the fifth one and the last one is material noun. Material, when we talk about material, means the name of the matter of or the substance of which other things are made, as plastic, glass, water, iron, cotton, etc. So here also you can give them multiple examples of material noun. Now these questions arise, how we can teach them all these types in a different way. Think out of the box. See, because in grammar books, we can see number of examples are there, and we can see number of videos, but how we can teach them in a different way. So try to understand the need of your child. This thing is very important, because a child says that when you teach me, I will forget. A child says when you tell me, I will remember. A child says when if you involve me, I will understand. So involvement of the child is very important in each and every topic. Now, what is this? Are we going to teach them A to Z again? Are we going to teach to a fourth grade child A to Z? No. We are going to use these alphabets to give them the more example of types of noun. So here I'm going to tell you how you can give practice to your kids. Either you can use the first one you can see on my screen. Either you can use, suppose you have 26 alphabets, you have made some cards, or you have means cuttings of these alphabets with you. So what you can do, you can give this practice, you can give as a teacher in classroom. So you can give one alphabet to each student. Either you can give row wise or roll number wise. So suppose roll number 1 has alphabet A. So you can tell them to write or to draw or to show some live examples of proper, common, collective, abstract and material noun. So how they will start? You can give them like very first day you can explain them the activity, and from next day you can start in the class. Same as mothers, they can give the idea to their child, and then next day or after 10 to 15 minutes they can start this activity. So first they are taking letter A. So with letter A, they are going to tell you that example of proper noun. Okay, they can think about any country, the name of the country which starts with letter A. For example, Australia. Common noun with letter A, apple. Collective noun with letter A, an army of ants, and anthology of poems, right? Now abstract noun, anxiety, adventure, material if you are telling, then aluminium. Same as with if you are going with letter B. So they can think the example of proper noun with letter B, that is Burger King or Bata. Any example they can take. Common noun, they can tell bat, ball or something like that with letter B only. Collective, a bowl of rice, a bunch of keys, correct? Abstract, they can give the example of beauty, bravery. Material noun, they can give the example of brick. Now the second method is that you can spread the cards on the table, right? So children, they can come and pick any letter. They can pick any letter card randomly. and answer in the same way. So you can make the activity more interesting. So in this way, the teachers and the mothers, they can train the brain of their child. So always remember, if you have a new mindset, you can get new results. So thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you, everyone.
What?